We are going to start with the logic of Fibonacci series. Now, in Fibonacci series, you see that how the series are getting printed. Here we specify suppose 0, 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8. So how this number I am getting? So suppose if I say 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So this is Fibonacci series. Now we want to achieve this Fibonacci series using code in Python. So we have declared n terms, like many variables, n terms, n1, n2, count. These are the list of variables that we have declared. And each of them are having specific values. N term is main value. It will ask you till which number you want to print Fibonacci series. So I'm talking about this n term. So here we'll input the value, assume it is 10. And then we have other two variables like n1 and n2. Initial value of n2 is 0. Then we have count variable. Initial value of count is 0. So if value of n term is less than 0, suppose if by mistake or intentionally, if we enter number less than 0, then it will prompt a message by specifying please enter positive integer. But suppose if I enter n term as 1, then it will print series Fibonacci sequence up to. If we specify n term as 1, then it will print Fibonacci series up to. This way it will print. And it will print the desired output. But suppose nor it is negative or 0, neither it is equal to 1, then it will go to the else part. This part it will. Now, as I said, assume that n value of n term is 10. Understood? And every time count should be less than n term. So this is the condition that we are given in loop. If the value of count goes beyond the value of n terms, then it will stop. But till then, what it will do, it will print the value of n1. Now, what is n1? Here, this is n1 value. This one. Understood? So, nth. Nth is what? It's a name of variable is equal to n1 plus n2. So, that is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. N1 is 0 and n2 is 1. So, nth will get what? 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, every time the value of n1 will get replaced with n2 and n2 value will get replaced with nth. This you have to remember. It is as good as swapping, means we are storing the value of n2 into n and nth value into n2. And every time the count will get incremented by 1. So if it goes beyond, suppose that limit, then it will stop. So we have to increment count by 1. Otherwise, what will happen? It will go to infinite loop. Now we will run this example. So right click, run. So suppose if you want 5, see this is Fibonacci series. So how it 5s I will show you. 0 plus 1. So 5 means just there are total 5 numbers. I mean to say 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. But how it is calculated? So 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. and 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So this is the output. Understood? And it's very, very easy. You can debug this example by specifying this option. And there is an option on a step into. So here, suppose if I enter what files. So we'll get what step into. There are shortcuts that you will get. Step into. The shortcut of step into is what? Alt, Shift, and F7. So Alt, Shift, and we have to press what? F7. This way. So n term is 1. It will print Fibonacci series. The count value is less than n terms. It will print the value of n1. Nth is equal to n1 plus n2. Then value of n2 will get stored in n1. Then value of nth will get stored into n2. Then count will increment by 1. Then again, it will check is count is less than n term? Yes. So it will print the value of n1. Nth is equal to n1 plus n2. N1 value will get replaced with n2. N2 value will get replaced with nth. Count plus equal to 1. So it will keep on printing. So at present is nth is 2. It will print nth is n1 plus n2. So now it is what? 3. N1 is equal, so value of n1 will get replaced with the value of n2. The value of n2 will get replaced with nth. Count again, it will increment by 1. Then it will print n. Now 3 plus 2 what? 5. So nth is equal to n1 plus n2. Value of n1 will get replaced with n2. N2 value will get replaced with nth. Count will increment by 1. So it will print n. So at present the value of count is 4 and at present the value of n term is 5. So nth value is equal to n1 plus n2. The value of n1 will get replaced with n2. The value of n2 will get replaced with nth and count will increment by 1. See this way. So it will display all the Fibonacci series systematically. Clear? Okay. So now we will see other example, that is factorial one.